In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use tabs in Google Docs. This feature can be incredibly handy for organizing your documents, especially if you're dealing with multiple sections or categories. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep everything neat and accessible. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create, modify, and manage your tabs with ease. Let's begin by showing you how to add a tab. First, direct your attention to the top left corner of your Google Docs interface. Here, you'll find the Show Tabs and Outlines icon. Click it to open the side panel. Once this panel is visible, proceed to click the plus icon. Doing so will create a new tab where you can organize your content. It's an intuitive process that will help you swiftly categorize your information. Now, after creating a tab, you might want to rename it for better clarity. To do this, simply double-click on the tab name, or alternatively, right-click the tab and select Rename from the context menu. This step ensures that your tabs are labeled in a way that reflects their content, making navigation easier for you or any collaborators. If you have multiple tabs and want to arrange them in a particular order, you can easily reorder them. Click on the tab you wish to move and drag it to its new position in the panel. This straightforward action allows you to customize the flow of your document according to your needs and preferences. There may be situations where you want to create a hierarchical structure within your tabs. Creating a subtab is a perfect solution. To do this, drag one tab onto another, and it will automatically convert into a subtab. This feature is especially useful when you have related content and wish to maintain a clean and organized layout within the same document. When it's time to clean up your tabs or remove one no longer needed, you can delete it effortlessly. Click on the three dots menu located next to the tab you wish to remove and select Delete. This feature ensures that your document remains uncluttered and only relevant tabs are retained. Sometimes you might want to share a specific tab with someone else or simply need quick access to it. You can obtain a direct link to a particular tab by clicking on the three dots next to the tab name and selecting Copy Link. Just ensure your document's sharing settings are appropriately configured, and anyone with the link will be able to access that particular tab directly. Finally, navigating between your tabs is simple. Click the Show Tabs and Outlines option at the top left to bring up the list of all available tabs. From here, you can easily switch back and forth, giving you full control over your document structure and facilitating smooth navigation. By mastering these steps, you'll enhance your productivity with Google Docs, making your document organization seamless and efficient. Thanks for watching and happy tabbing!